Okay, so in this morning's video, we talked about these trend lines here. And the main one I'm going to be talking about is this one. Of course, we broke the daily, but the main one I want to talk about is this one. Why? Because when we got on Zoom, I was telling everybody the play is short or flat. However, we are still stuck in this bull-bear zone. Stuck. Played with it, came to the bottom, got up over it, came back and bounced, and then we flushed underneath it, which is what typically happens in these zones. It really flushes. Then what did price do? It back tested, flushed further down. It got really close to my next zone here. So that was really cool. Now let's look at the entries that we had today. Okay, so I took two primary trades today. I told you about this one this morning. It was against a level, it was against a VWAP. There was one more something there. I forget, but multiple confluences, took that short, and then in the afternoon, I took that long. I sat through all of this when I came back and made nothing. I tried to be long right here, missed me by a tick, and then it vomited all the way down, went to the greediest level, and bounced. So that play was really nice. Now, if you're in my group and we're talking about the play is short or flat, you may not take this trade here. Number one, you don't have a backup level. But notice it bounced to perfection, because what are you hoping it's going to do? Yes, you have this line on your chart. You're hoping it bounces, but why? Because you want it to come up here and bounce off this, and you had a really nice short, assuming you're trading during that time frame. I was not. I noted it when it happened, but I was not trading. My DOM was closed. And then this trade was break even. You had this as a backup level. It came back and gave you the gift of break even. Should not have been a loser. If you added here, you made money. And I have no problem in you adding from the front side to the break level. And then, of course, this long and then this short. Core strategy just rocked it today. So thanks for trading with me. I'll see you tomorrow. Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.